call me the Punisher, ain't that right? The big bad Punisher.
What's up? Good morning, guys. Chris Honda here. We have a Z06 that I'd like you to see. So it's Sunday morning here at Gears and Grinds. And what's your name, sir? Rich. Rich is nice enough to let us do a quick walk around of his screaming yellow Z06. What year is this?
2015.
2015. Wow, man, this thing it's already 5 years old. I can't believe it, but it looks brand spanking new. How many miles did you say was on this thing?
23,000.
23,000, man. Wow, very well kept. Came from Atlanta, right? The car was an Atlanta car. And this yellow. So the Z06 is it a 6.2 supercharged?
Yeah, supercharged 6.2.
And then we have a 7-speed manual. I have not gotten up close to something with 7 speeds before, and just to do a quick focus on there, 7-speed manual. Thank you for opening the door. Look at the skull and bones Punisher style logos for this car. C7R. Jesus, this thing is ridiculously nice. Yellow stitching and everything. So any options that this car came with that wasn't standard? Did you option anything out?
Competition seats. It's got the Z07 package, which is carbon ceramic brakes.
Oh, you got carbon ceramics on there. Very nice. So this aero package is an option, right? Yeah. With the duckbill. What do you call that spoiler?
Wicker bill.
The wicker bill. That's right. I believe you can option that out on the Z28 as well, right? That wicker bill spoiler.
Yeah, all the different ones.
What's the horsepower rating on this Z06?
From the factory, 650.
650. Jesus.
This makes 675 to the wheels.
This one's 675 to the wheels. Oh, this is Ferrari territory, man. I'd love to see this go against like a 488 or something of the same caliber. So how hard is it to launch the car?
Impossible.
It's
pretty impossible.
Pretty impossible to get no wheel spin on this thing, right?
Yeah, until about 60.
Probably a 60 roll would be best for this car.
Still hard, yeah.
Right? Still hard.
Still hard, shit.
That must be pretty scary to be running 60 and go sideways.
Yeah, you gotta keep your traction control on.
Oh, so definitely traction control on. Yeah. With it on, it's pretty manageable?
Yeah, with it on, you couldn't lose control if you tried.
Oh, really? That's awesome. Yeah. I need that for me. I'm an amateur.
It's got different levels of performance, which allow you different levels of slippage.
Oh, awesome. So they give you like a cyber nanny that lets you dial it in on how much you want. Yeah. How risky you feel that day, right?
I've turned it off a couple times and been a little scared.
That's nuts. Man, I wouldn't drive this thing in the rain, man.
No, it's got Cup 2s on there, so they're pretty much slicks with like one tread.
Oh my God.
Driving in the rain.
That must be insane. Like right now it's perfect because it's summer, but in the winter time,
no,
it's just in the garage. Very nice, man. Is this a wrap that got done with the?
Yeah. Incognito wraps did it.
Hey, shout out to Incognito. Incognito, you guys are on my second video here. Oh, look, the hood opens this way. I didn't know that the hood opened this way for Z06. Look at that. Look at the monster on that. LT4. What is the difference between an LS and an LT? Do you know?
Yeah, LTs have direct injection.
Oh, LTs have direct injection. Definitely more horsepower with direct injection, right?
Much harder to work on, much more expensive to modify.
Wow. Oh, look at that Z06 sign in there underneath. This thing's beautiful, man.
Like,
I love the yellow stitching in there.
yeah,
I
I changed it all, the whole interior.
Oh, so this interior was redone.
Yeah.
Look at that rear end here with the cool plate. Pimping ain't easy. You're definitely pimping in this yellow vet. And how long have you had this car? 3.5 years, man. Very nice. And when you did the interior, like that was all done at a shop, or?
No, I did it.
You did it yourself?
Yeah, well, it's all factory GM parts.
Oh, okay.
So I just swapped them out.
So it's just a direct bolt on.
Yeah.
And that includes like the yellow stitching door panels and
So
stuff.
the door panels, the seats, the dash overlay, the steering wheel.
Man, sick convertible too, man. Like,
It's gotta be at least 15 pieces.
wow, that had to be expensive.
Worth it though, 'cause it had like the cheaper leather.
Oh, I
like,
got
almost
you.
like a vinyl interior with white stitching. So
This makes it look real nice and expensive looking. And was this always here, like the Speedster look?
that's the way.
That's the way it goes. What a nice vehicle to have, man. Guys, only on my channel. I've never had a Z06. You guys have seen the yellow ZR1 I've done, but this one is the C7, correct?
Yeah.
This is the C7. I had the Danny's C6 Vet ZR1 here, so I'd love to see you guys run, man, an older ZR1 versus the Z06.
Danny's actually one of my best friends.
Oh, Danny. So you know Danny. Cool.
Yeah.
Look at that, Danny. Here goes your buddy here. It's Rich, right? Your buddy Rich. I got both of your yellow vets on my channel now, so come on and subscribe and come see it. What a beautiful car this one is, man. So Rich, thank you so much for letting us do a walk around. My channel's called Chris Honda, so if you want to come see your video, it'll be on here. Man, what a great vehicle to have this morning. Only on my channel and only on Gears and Grinds. Have a good day, guys. Chris Honda signing out.